Forgotten username recovery failed on Swan Bitcoin Fix. If you've lost access to your Swan Bitcoin account because you forgot your username, you're not alone. Most people get stuck trying random guesses, but the good news is that recovery is simpler than you think. Swan Bitcoin relies on your registered email and identity verification to safely restore accounts. Step 1. Go to the Swan Bitcoin login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Swan Bitcoin will send an email containing your username or a secure recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather your account information, full name, recent transactions, or link bank account details. Swan Bitcoin support can verify your identity and guide you through a manual recovery process. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the recovery email carefully. If it does appear in your inbox, check spam or junk folders. It often ends up there by mistake. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Swan Bitcoin support directly. Provide your verification details, explain that the automated process didn't work, and their team will help you regain access safely. Remember, forgetting your Swan Bitcoin username doesn't lock you out permanently. With the correct email or verification details, you can recover your account quickly and continue managing your Bitcoin purchases and investments without interruption. Consider updating your recovery email and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent future issues.